Imagine a world where every whisper, thought, and heartbeat changes the very fabric of reality. What if the keys to the universe's greatest mysteries were hidden not in vast galaxies or ancient texts, but within the vibrations we emit every day? Nikola Tesla, a pioneer whose brilliance transcended the bounds of his time, believed that the secrets of the universe were encoded in energy, frequency, and vibration. In fact, he famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." His work laid the foundations that today drive our entire world. But Tesla didn't just invent. He envisioned a universe comprehensible through its invisible forces. Imagine ancient landscapes dotted with monumental structures, from the pyramids of Egypt to the standing stones of Stonehenge. These aren't just relics of the past, they are sophisticated devices crafted with a profound understanding of vibrational energy. Historians call them tombs or temples, but we're discovering they might actually be ancient vibrational tools that harnessed the Earth's power. How could these structures manipulate energy? Through the science of cymatics, we find clues. When particles are sprinkled on a surface that vibrates with sound, they form patterns. Each frequency creates its own geometric dance. These ancient builders, they knew this secret. Their structures, aligned with Earth's vibrational patterns, could have amplified natural energies, channeling them for growth, healing, and perhaps for reaching higher states of consciousness. This deep dive into the universe's vibrations is brought to you by InnerTune, your portal to personal transformation through affirmations, helping you align your inner frequency with your desires. Discover more in the link below. Today, we stand on the brink of rediscovering this ancient technology for ourselves. Modern engineers and scientists are exploring how resonance and frequency can be used in healing, in creating sustainable energy, and yes, even in the development of technologies that manipulate physical objects, defying gravity. Every object, every element on this planet has a resonant frequency at which it is most inclined to vibrate. This is the principle behind technologies such as ultrasound in medicine or seismic testing in geology. Our ancestors may not have had the gadgets, but they had the knowledge, and now we're catching up. And how can we use this knowledge? By aligning our personal frequency with that of our desired outcomes. Modern science is rediscovering what ancients knew. Vibrations can heal, transform, and manifest. Using sound therapy, meditation, and mindful practices, we can tune our body and mind to frequencies that promote healing, happiness, and abundance. Consider meditation with sound baths, where gongs, singing bowls, and tuning forks create a landscape of healing vibrations that align your body's energy centers. Or affirmations spoken with intention, which resonate through your body, rewiring thoughts and emotions to manifest your goals. Imagine realigning your body's frequencies like tuning an instrument to perfect pitch. Frequencies are used to rebalance the body's energies, with research indicating benefits in reducing pain, enhancing sleep quality, and improving overall emotional wellness. Similarly, sound therapy employs frequencies through music and tone to create healing vibrations around the body, promoting healing from within. Moving beyond health, let's explore how frequency can manifest wealth. Tesla's vision of energy extended to the idea that by aligning our personal energy with the frequencies of abundance and success, we could attract wealth. This alignment involves cultivating a mindset of abundance, where thoughts, feelings, and actions resonate with prosperity and openness to financial opportunities. Practical applications in your daily life might include starting each day with wealth-focused affirmations, engaging in visualization techniques that embody financial success, and creating a personal environment that reflects and supports your financial goals. The law of attraction, a concept popularized in recent times, echoes this ancient wisdom, proposing that like attracts like, and by emitting frequencies of abundance, we attract similar energies. Dr. Masaru Emoto's groundbreaking research provides fascinating visual evidence of how water's molecular structure is transformed by vibrations from thoughts, words, and music. His experiments involved exposing water to various verbal, written, and musical stimuli, then freezing it and examining the aesthetic properties of the resulting ice crystals under a microscope. The results were startling and visually compelling. Water exposed to positive affirmations, harmonious music, and loving words froze into beautiful, intricate crystal formations. Conversely, water subjected to negative thoughts, harsh words, or dissonant music froze into disjointed and aesthetically displeasing structures. Emoto's work visually suggests that our emotions and intentions can influence the physical realm. Considering that the human body is made up of about 60% water, Emoto's findings take on profound implications. Our thoughts, words, and the music we listen to might literally shape the structure of the water within us, potentially affecting our health and well-being on a cellular level. From a scientific perspective, everything is vibrating, and water, with its fluid and adaptable nature, becomes a prime medium through which vibration can influence molecular structure. Vibration at its core is energy in motion, and water is exceptionally responsive to energetic fluctuations due to its molecular composition and the hydrogen bonding that occurs between water molecules. These hydrogen bonds adjust their configurations in response to energy inputs. In essence, when vibrations in the form of sound waves, emotional energies, or even electromagnetic frequencies hit water, they alter the molecular bonds and thereby the physical structure of the water. Understanding this profound interaction between vibration and water opens up countless different ways we can apply this knowledge to improve our health and environment. For instance, consider the music you listen to, the tone of conversations you engage in, or the intentions you set during meditation or prayer. All these could be sculpting your internal landscape on a molecular level. Activities like singing bowls in meditation, chanting, or even the intentional use of specific sound frequencies in healing therapies are all practices that could potentially optimize your internal molecular structure for better health. Furthermore, structuring water by exposing it to positive vibrations before drinking is another practical application. This structured water might carry the vibrational patterns into your body, promoting internal harmony and vitality. As we've seen, the vibrations of our environment can impact the molecular structure of water, a substance that comprises a significant portion of our bodies. But how do our internal vibrations, our thoughts, feelings, and words affect our lives? Our thoughts are not just ephemeral entities passing through the mind. They are energetic waves that, much like sound waves impacting water, impact the neural pathways in our brains. Each thought generates a ripple of bioelectrical energy, which can positively or negatively affect our emotional and physical health. Similarly, the words we speak to ourselves, whether silently in thought or aloud, carry vibrations that reinforce patterns in our brains. Positive affirmations, for instance, are not merely motivational phrases. They are vibrational tools that can reshape our self-perception and our reality. Create a habit of speaking positively about yourself, your life, and others. Incorporate daily affirmations that align with your goals and desires. These might include statements like, "I am worthy of abundance," "I am a beacon of love and peace," or "I am resilient and strong." By aligning your thoughts, words, and feelings with the frequencies of what you wish to attract, you create a powerful vibrational field that can manifest real positive changes. As we conclude our exploration of the universe's vibrations, from the profound insights of Nikola Tesla to the visionary experiments of Dr. Masaru Emoto, we see a clear pattern. Our universe is intricately connected through frequencies. Whether it's the ancient wisdom encoded in the world's monumental structures, or the everyday practice of aligning our thoughts, words, and emotions, each aspect resonates with the fundamental truth that energy shapes reality. By understanding and applying the principles of vibration in our lives, from the molecular changes in water to the emotional and physical health benefits, we empower ourselves to cultivate a life of harmony and abundance. Join us on this transformative journey, tuning into the universe's symphony and unlock the vibrational power within you. Subscribe and share in the discovery of how together we can resonate with the cosmos and manifest a vibrant, fulfilling existence.